Okay, so good day everyone, and today I'll be showing you how to make hair growth cream. Now this cream is for people that desire to have super hair growth or a full hair growth, or people that don't have hair, that tend not to have longer hair or have hair growth issues. And also this cream is for people that have dandruff on their hair. So if you have any of these issues with your hair, I think it's better you learn how to make this at home, because it will serve a very good purpose. So I am showing my ingredients and the purposes that they serve, so you can check them out. So this is my cacao oil. I've showed my coconut oil, and this is my cacao oil. I've also showed my Shea powder, and I've showed my tea tree oil. Now, what is inside this red container is hair cream. I made this hair cream already. So if you don't know how to make hair cream, you can check my previous videos or check the description of this video. You will see the link to one of my videos on hair cream production, so you can learn how to make hair cream yourself. Now, this hair cream does not really have any super active agent inside to cause hair growth. That is why I'm adding this ingredient now. I'm adding my Shea powder, adding my cacao oil, I added my coconut oil, and the next thing I'm going to add is my tea tree oil. So I showed the purposes of each of the ingredients, what they do. Like tea tree oil fights against dandruff, and coconut oil does the same thing, it fights against dandruff. So any kind of hair infection, coconut oil and tea tree oil will deal with them. And the Shea powder and cacao oil helps the hair to grow very long. So you have anything that is hindering your hair to grow, coconut oil and tea tree oil will solve that problem. Then the Shea powder and cacao oil acts like a manure. It's just like pouring manure on plants for it to enable it to grow. That's how the Shea powder and cacao oil behaves. So before you use, if you want to see the power of this hair cream, it's better you apply it on your hair. If you're a woman or a lady, you apply it on your hair before you take it to the salon to braid the hair or to fix your attachments or whatever you're going to fix on your hair. Apply this cream on your hair first. Then the moment you're losing your hair, you will notice your hair is 2 times bigger than before. You will see a very good result. Then as for men, you can just apply it directly on your hair. For the men, apply it directly on your hair as a hair cream. And if you had issues with hair growth, you will notice your hair will grow faster. And this cream also enables the hair to stay dark. If you have issue with brown color hair and you want your hair to remain dark in color, this cream will serve that purpose. So at the end of this video, I'll be showing you some ladies that stay in Lake Chad. They were the ones that actually discovered the use of Shea powder and cacao oil. And people were wondering why their hair were so long, till they went and realized that they were using Shea powder and cacao oil on their hair. So I'll be showing you the pictures. I'll be throwing some pictures here. I'll be showing you. Then this is the first picture. This is a lady. This is her natural hair. She's using Shea powder and cacao oil. This is natural hair. I will show you another one. This is another lady. That's the hair that is being held with the hand there, and that is natural hair. This is another natural hair. So thank you for watching this video, and see you next time. Goodbye.